Welcome to Pinoy Lakas Radio Streaming here in Casa de Gil, Quezon Villa, Senior Taste Bud. Guys, I'm making some special dinner for Doc kasi wala na siyang time para lumabas. Pagod kaming pareho eh. Masyadong hectic ang schedule ngayon. That you're in a hurry. So, we need to go to the, let's go to the living room. Go to sit down so we can at least relax when I'm taping it. Guys, andito yung mga poor baby namin. Habang, ayan si Bubbles. Ang dami ko pang mga tinutuping mga natapos na ang ating, ang ating balikbayan box. Ito na naman ang second and third one nating ginagawa. Andito rin si Snowy. Hi, Snowy. Ay, naku, nagkakalat. 3 na kami nagkakalat. Okay. Tingnan natin kung malalaman ni Doc kung anong taste niya.
I'm guessing beef stew.
Really? It look like beef stew? That's good.
No.
It's not beef stew, but it's good. Beef stew, usually what is made on beef stew ni?
It's like meat, but beef and carrots and it doesn't usually have tomatoes, but
Okay. I just throw
dark brown gravy.
I just throw everything that I want to throw there. So you know me, when I cook, I don't know what I'm doing.
This has mushrooms in it too. It's real good.
Huh?
I said I like the mushrooms.
Okay, that's good. So you have the mushroom, right? And then what is the? Oh, I have a crispy onion too. I'm gonna give you some. So what is the main ingredients? Like some, like as you said there.
It's like roast beef and then dark brown gravy, usually carrots and sometimes potatoes.
No, I'm talking about what do you taste in there?
I taste the kind of the rich gravy taste. I don't know if you put any wine in it. But
So all in all, do you like it?
yeah, it's really good.
Wow, that's the first you're excited to say that. Usually you're just like you don't care about what I'm cooking. You know. Okay, guys. So Doc only guessed part of the gravy, guys. But actually, what I did is I sauteed the onions and garlic. My garlic is dry garlic, and then I put the mushroom first before putting my meat ingredients. Actually, my meat, if you call it meat, is actually tuna.
That's tuna? Wow.
Yeah, it's tuna. It tastes good, no? Usually it tastes fishy, right?
Yeah, there's no fish taste to it at all.
Yeah, there's no paste. Because I did good job on doing what's supposed to be doing when you saute something. You have to kill the taste of the fishy taste by putting some herbs, you know? So the herbs really help, and also I put black pepper on that one. Okay. And I put the onion and mushroom sauce that I made. So it's good. Okay. So let me get you some of the crispy onions too. Okay, guys, it's a wrap. Doc likes the food. This is the first time I cook this, actually. And I'm so proud that every time I invented something that I like to eat, I just throw everything there by it. And I don't really go for recipe. I just put anything what's in my cover and my rep and freezer. So that's why they call it this in your taste bud. I love you guys. Saving your penny for a rainy day. I love you guys. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. Baguio forever. For me, first bite is for Baguio. God bless. Pinoy lakas. Lakas. Pinoy lakas. lakas. Pinoy lakas, lakas. Bagyo forever. God bless.